Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you're new on the channel, just subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. If you have not seen our last videos, you can click on the I button or you can find the links in the description below. Today, we are continuing our renewable energy topic. Recently, Indian government has addressed a long-term issue in renewable energy projects by introducing the round-the-clock renewable energy projects. So today we will be understanding that what was that issue, how round-the-clock renewable energy projects will work, and what are the recent news about it. So let's start this video. So as previously in last videos, we have discussed that how Indian government is transforming our power sector by introducing the renewable energy projects. They have also set a target to achieve 40% of energy coming from renewable energy sources by 2030. In order to achieve these targets, India is doing structural and policy level changes in order to attract the foreign investors. But there are some major issues in renewable energy projects because these renewable energy projects doesn't provide 24/7 electricity due to their nature. So in the next slide, we will understand what was the major issue. So one of the biggest issues which opposes the large uptake of renewable energy is intermittency. So as we know that solar can generate energy when there is sun and wind energy is only available when there is wind. So critics of renewable energy often cite the fact that technology like wind and solar only produce energy when wind is blowing or sun is shining. So there is a lag in between. If there are clouds, so we cannot get solar energy. So this is the major issue, that we cannot provide the customer 24 hours renewable energy because there is a lag in between. So that's why Indian government has introduced round-the-clock projects, because the energy produced by wind and solar didn't able to provide the 24/7 energy supply. That's why the DISCOMs are facing the losses because of the fluctuation in the input. So what is intermittency, we will see. We have understood the issue, but we will get into details. So intermittency can mean the extent to which a power source is unintentionally stopped or partially unavailable. So here, as we know, if there is no wind, we cannot produce wind energy, and if there is no sun, we cannot produce solar energy. So this lag in which we cannot provide solar energy is called as intermittency. This is one of the biggest reasons of renewable energy not providing 24/7 supply. You can also see the second pointer in which the daily operation of electric grid is explained. Due to the fluctuation in supply, the daily operations of electric grid is affected. There are power fluctuation which is very hard to tackle on a daily basis, and we cannot rely on solar or wind for 24/7. So that's why government has introduced round-the-clock supply in which they can fill these lags, in which there is no solar energy and wind energy, they can provide certain other things. So recently what has happened, hybrid projects are being introduced before the round-the-clock supply. But in hybrid projects we need battery storage or electric storage, so that when there is no solar and wind, we can use that storage. But today, majorly, what is happening that the cost of lithium ion batteries, the capital cost of renewable energy projects can go as high up to rupees 10, rupees 12 crores per megawatt. And standalone solar projects requires rupees 4 to 5 crore per megawatt. So they cannot afford these type of prices. So that's why the round the clock supply is the alternative that Indian government has set up right now. There is also an obligation on DISCOMs that they have to go in further of fulfillment of the RPO, renewable purchase obligation, in which they have to achieve certain amount of renewable energy. So that's why we can also promote renewable energy through round the clock supply. So in the next slide we will understand what is round the clock supply. So MNRE, Ministry of New Renewable Energy, has proposed a draft policy for the supply of round the clock, that is also called RTC power, to distributors through a mix of renewable energy and electricity generated in coal plants, specifically thermal plants. So now Indian government is setting up projects in which when there is wind, we will use wind energy, when there will be sun, we will use solar energy, and when there is no wind, no sun, we will use thermal energy, so that some part of the clean energy will be used and the DISCOMs will also be not affected. So that's why we will get a cheaper energy through these renewable energy projects just like wind and solar, and we can also get a 24/7 supply through these thermal projects. So now the new normal will be the round the clock supply projects. So these are a new futuristic thing that Indian government is thinking about right now. So till now we have discussed about the issue, that what issue is haunting the renewable energy projects. Then we have discussed the intermittency, the major issue, and then the round the clock supply, that how it's a combination of renewable energy and thermal power plants to get 24/7 supply from renewable energy sources with a combination of thermal power. So now we will discuss about the recent news, because recently Indian government has given a contract, have floated a contract for around 400 megawatt of this RTC power. So in the next slide we will see that ReNew Power, we have already discussed this about in the video in which we will have discussed about top 5 companies. So you can get the link of that video in the I button. So recently ReNew Power has got 400 megawatt of this round the clock supply. So on the bid which they have won is about 2.90 kilowatt per hour with 3% annual escalation for first 15 years, and the PPA, the power purchase agreement, is for 25 years. So the first round the clock supply project will be commissioned by ReNew Power. So you can read this about in the news as well, and you can see that many more biddings will be coming in for these projects. So the power generated by this project will be supplied to NDMC, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and the commission date of this project will be within 24 months. That's 2 years they have to complete this project. And recently SECI has floated a 5 gigawatt renewable energy power project in order to expedite the round the clock projects, but they have extended the deadline because of this COVID, because renewable energy is also affected. due to most of the modules are coming from China. So that's why they have extended a deadline, but you can see what is the vision of the government, that now they know that the cost of lithium-ion batteries are quite high and it is not feasible to execute those projects. So that's why they are coming up with this new thing in renewable energy, round the clock supply, in which there will be a combination of renewable energy and coal-based plants, specifically thermal plants, to get 24/7 power. So in this video, you have learned about the new thing coming in renewable energy. You can also read more about it on Google, but in this video you have get the details that why it has happened, what is the reason behind it, the issue, and then what is the project and what are the recent news. Just like Renew Power won the project, and there will be a 5 gigawatt renewable energy RTC power project bid will be coming. So we will end this video, and if you have liked this video, so just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.